it's the love that they have for me. But at the same time, you know, people are talking about something that they know. They don't know the roots of it.
Yes, that's the problem. That's exactly
there's always a reason for something. They don't know the roots. They don't know the roots. Everybody who is shouting and insulting me, they don't live in my house.
That's it. That's the problem.
They don't live in my house with me. So you don't. And nobody has said. I mean, what seems be the problem? What is the issue? You know, and I mean, as a man, you don't come out to say everything in public. Of course, you won't take your family and just put out there. Yeah? So I'd rather take all the heat. That they insult me, no problem. They will not understand. You know.
That's what I said to people. People don't know. People don't know what make a man to do what he, but
of course,
I understand people as well, the way they take you as well.
Of course, I understand that.
They take you the son of Jesus Christ. So nothing you do, because there's a heat argument I have with some of them. I say we are not perfect. Nobody is perfect. But sometimes, things can happen and we keep on moving. That's the only way we can survive in this world,
Of course. It's true. And one thing, somebody sent me a message. Bro, are they for phone? Someone sent me a message and said I should do a press conference. I started laughing. I should do press conference in my family life. Press conference for you to address my family. And you what do you mean by following the model? I should do press conference and tell you how I'm living with my wife in my house. It's funny. In a press conference, So one thing I will never do is to make, no matter what, I will never make my wife Mary to look bad in the public. No, I would never do that. No matter how much pressure they put, I wouldn't say this is because this is no. It's family, It's family. It's under control. I'm putting things under control. No matter how much they insult me. They talk about, they about things is something that they know nothing about. They don't know the roots, nothing. They're not. So it's not even. In fact, the truth is, Ogapolo, God is preparing me for Aso Rock.
I told them that.
That's the truth. God.
I told them that you are going. You are going, and I believe that 100%.
God is preparing me for.
They understand what I'm saying.
Presidential seat, because, of course.
The youth are following. The youth are supporting you
as a leader. True, and I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful. I'll never take that for granted. And as a leader, people must insult you. I mean, this is nothing compared to what you go through by the time you sit on that seat as president. You will make certain decisions. You will make certain decisions for the good of the people, that certain people will not see the good side of it. And then they will insult you. People will be against you, My coffin.
Yeah.
People will be, of course. So if you're that kind of person who will react,
insult yourself because they have the government and everything. So, but the only thing is, I think it's better to address it that your family understands. You have things that has happened. You can't change the clock back, but you need to move on as a man, and an unblasted man for that matter. So there's a loose allegation as an unblasted man.
That's the truth.
And that's what I said to Freeze. There's a guy called Freeze that is disturbing this. I said, Freeze, you're not an Igbo man. So you cannot come and start harassing us as an Igbo. We have our loose allegation, and we have things we believe in. So this is how it is. I know in the eyes of Nigerians is a mistake, but as a mistake man, that taking responsible of his mistake, it's not a big deal, you know. Are we Jesus Christ that we don't commit? Sometimes things will happen, but as a man, you need to take responsible of things that happens. As far as I'm concerned, making sure your family is fantastic, making sure your wife is good, making sure that you know, that's the most important. Any other thing is for you now to make it work. For you now to make, you know, who are we not to be, you know?
That's true.
Are we Jesus Christ not to make mistakes? We make mistakes every day. Even the people now, polygon, now shout, they make mistakes 100 times every second. You know, but we as a human being, but because people like you a lot too, I'm not gonna lie. They think people like you so much. People love your family, they love your dad, they love you so much. That's why people are getting, you know, a Christianity, Muslim, everybody is just, but you need to tell them that everything is fine. Your family is fine, and you are taking care of your family.
Of course, everything is fine. Everything is fine. You know, I promise them that, and you know, anybody who is insulting me and all that, no problems at all. Like I said, they are preparing me for leadership.
And that's what you are working hard for the past 2 years. Of
course.
That's what you are working hard for the past 2 years. And this one will not be a distraction to people. Who you are is who you are. You know, mistakes as a mistake in the world.
No,
is it? But it will not make them not to be a leader. You know, you're a leader from day one, and that's why I like you. You are a good man. And people are telling me, why are you supporting you? Why are you supporting? Why are you? I say, what is going on with these people? He's a good man, because normally, one small mistake, everybody will run away from him. Nigeria will can't say more.